Ba naman kitang-kita pag mumukha ko dyan? Malaki pala yan.
I'm walking again to the beat of a drum, counting steps to the door.
Wala. Ako na hindi yan kasi walang signal.
Darling, needing you.
Ay,
Get to
sinalay na naman.
Hey now, don't be so.
May kaso ko.
Over the mountains. Maganda rin. Over the mountains.
Mga estudyante dito, dito nagpa-practice ah. Gaganda.
There's somewhere out there too. There's a thing for me to do. Shout out. Over the mountains, over the sea, to find a heart that belongs to me. And anywhere in the world, I need the way.
Ba't ako yun?
I need someone to love and hold on to. And the road is long, I've had my doubts, but nothing gets me down. The sign of your summer run, I run through the fields. I'll do anything, I'm hard to please. Everywhere,
May nanonood na yun.
shout out, more than I do for you. Doesn't matter what the time will tell, 'cause love will make it work.
Gusto ko dito. Little Jared Jared. Jared Jared G. Jared Jared G. Ano nag-away mo? Baka nanonood papa mo. Shoutout mo papa! Rock and roll, papa JR!
Mama niya, oh.
Mindset.
Mindset daw, mindset. Isa'y pangangibig para di halata. Dahil ibig sa loob umiiyak. Dahil ikaw at ako ay ilang.
Hello po viewers! Nanonood siya para sa bahay.
Hirap magpahinga, may mahal ka ng iba.
Hello po!
Ano magagawa?
Jared, tingin.
Di ba?
Sa ano niya yung ano? Tapos niya.
Ang galing mo ah, bro. Bro, dito ka bro. Ayun, tingin ka dun bro. Ayun bro, bro. Najit, Bumblebee, ano mo?
Ay, kahay.
Ay, Tito Glenn.